Boeing 707 Juliet Tango, Los Angeles Air. Good morning. Turn left there at Foxtrot, cross runway 25 left.
Left at Foxtrot and cross 25 left. Juliet Tango, hold short of 25 left.
Boeing 7 Juliet Tango, now cross runway 25 right, caution jet blast. Turn right on Bravo, taxi full length.
Cross 25 right and full length. Juliet Tango.
Operator 016 Heavy, caution wake turbulence, wind 270 at 5, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 25 right, current 016 Heavy.
Boeing 707 Juliet Tango, caution wake turbulence at your discretion, runway 25 right, position and hold.
Okay, discretion and 25 right, position and hold.
Operator 016 Heavy, contact SoCal departures, good morning.
Call departure, current 016 Heavy. Good morning, sir.
Boeing 7 Juliet Tango, wind 270 at 6, runway 25 right, let's take off.
Clear for takeoff, Juliet Tango.
7 Juliet Tango, contact SoCal departures, good morning.